Philippines was named after gods. So this is named and dedicated after Saint James, of course. And also it was dedicated and named after Santiago de Vera, the former Governor General. Look at the crown. See, that represent the motherland, Spain, who conquered the Philippines for this. And with that, you can see a shield.
Dito pala sa Manila, mainit, mausok, at puno ng pangarap.
Somebody's watching me, it's my anxiety.
Facebook. Bisa nyo. Bisa mo na.
Ikaw maglagay, ako
Kunti
na
lang.
nag-fight.
Hindi kita sa loob mo to.
Mix. Oy, mix. Post ko kayo sa Facebook. Di kayo sumusunod. Customer service to.
Ano naman ko?
Gusto mo eh, dito pa sa top 10.
Oy, customer service to. Post ko sa
Wala
Facebook.
akong pakialam. Hindi post mo pa yan sa kahit anong social media.
Ito yung kuya ako yo. Yan, swimming. Kuya ako ayaw mag-pack, ayaw magbuhat ng tubig. Gusto nasa cashier lang. Sanchay, ano ba? Sanchay, replyan mo na ako, Sanchay. Sige na, Sanchay. Alam mong mahal na mahal kita, Sanchay.
Nisa ano? Ay, Nisa tuloy.
Shari, ano na? Bakla ka ng taon, nagpakita ka naman.
Busy nag-gym.
Dalaan mo, mother.
Ang landi. I told my friends to me high five. Sorry if you feel objectified. Can't help myself, hormones are high. Can be more than just up. You make me wanna make me fall in love. All day and night I'm thinking about you. Wanna try out some freaky positions. Hindi ako magpo-post next year ako.
Ganun. Ikaw nga maglagay.
Sige.
Win.
Poster ha? Okay, sige. Post natin to. Tingnan natin. Sabi din nila, mas ano yung block 2. Kasi nandito ako ngayon eh. Siyempre po sa Wednesday, sabi ko rin, ang galing-galing yung block 3. Hindi. Okay. Yung sabihin ko ako magaling yung section. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Diyan ka pa mas harap. Smile ka lang. Basta magsabi na 1, 2, 3, smile lang. O 1, 2, 3. Actually, hindi ko rin alam eh. Nagsabi siya 1, 2, 3, magpag-chance sana eh. O sige, smile muna. Smile!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Number 1!
Magkaroon dyan.
Actually, akala ko din. Okay. Ano pa 1, 2, 3 ko? Okay, sige. Ready ha? Okay, ready. O, chant na yan. Ito sure na ito na chant. Okay, ready?
1,
2,
3.
RGO Bob, your block 2 is ready to top the board exam. I can do it, I can make it. 1, 2, 3, go! I can do it, I can make it. I will top the board exam and be the number 1. The louder the voice, the higher passing percentage in the board exam. I can do it, I can make it. 1, 2, 3, go! I can do it, I can make it. I will top the board exam and be the number 1. RPMs, grab your license. It's time! Yay! 2 months to go! Malapit na lang. Okay, isang kilo ko kailan i-release? October siya. Okay? Okay, sige. Bye everyone. Thank you. And see you again tomorrow for the confirmation of Sir Patrick Gutierrez.
Then we'll bring it right back and we'll say who I'll be waiting till we drive and get closer. Give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight breaks. See what you say before we sing. Bring it right back into the car. It's a fast in a moonlit time. heart. Wrap me up between your legs and arms. Oh, I can get enough. You know you can tear me apart. Put me back together and take my hand. I never thought that I could love this hard. Oh, I can get enough. Got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes. I wanna drink that smile. I wanna feel like I'm a soul's on fire. I wanna stay up all
Gusto kong palitan yung perfume ko. Hello, na yung
Because He gave us the
May spoon ko yung for this ate ko.
早上好，我和的朋友，我是breakfast 什么？
Sorry, thank you. Lumalabas pagkain sa spoon.
Oh my god! Wait lang.